Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on area under the curve. Let us start with problem number 6. Find the area above the x-axis bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x, and the ordinates are x is equal to pi by 6 to x is equal to pi by 3. So first in this case we will draw the graph of y is equal to sin x. As you can see, the equation of sin axis looks like this on the graph paper from the interval 0 to pi. And the angles that they have asked you is pi by 6 and pi by 3, which lies before pi by 2. So we have 0 to pi by 2 and sin pi by 2 will give you 1, and we have sin pi is equal to 0. Before that I have considered two angles, that is pi by 6 and pi by 3. So they have asked you to find the area under the curve sin x from x is equal to pi by 6 to x is equal to pi by 3. So x is equal to pi by 6 to x is equal to pi by 3. This area is asked to find out. Here the limits of x are already given. It starts from pi by 6 and ends at pi by 3. Therefore, the formula for area is integral y dx, and the limits are given as pi by 6 to pi by 3. The value of y is given as sin x dx. On further integrating, this will give you minus cos x within limits pi by 6 to pi by 3. On substituting upper and lower limits, we will get minus of cos pi by 3 minus cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60, that will give you 1 upon 2. And cos pi by 6 means cos 30, that will give you root 3 upon 2. Giving minus sign to both terms, this will give you minus of minus root 3 by 2 as plus root 3 by 2, and this will become minus 1 by 2. So the final answer will be root 3 minus 1 upon 2 square units. This is the required area. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.